As New York City prepares for its first major snowfall this year, restaurants already clobbered by COVID are getting hit with a 1-2 punch.
To have us close is a death knell for a lot of restaurants.
The city issuing a snow alert tomorrow, meaning restaurants have to suspend street-side dining. 12 inches or more would force many to pack up their structures in the road for plowing.
It looks like it's 6 to 12 inches, so it's right on the cusp.
The storm coming after Governor Cuomo closed indoor dining yesterday without any federal relief package in sight.
This is the critical time right now. I don't think anybody thinks that something serious is going to come out of Washington in the next month.
A report shows nearly 90% of businesses in New York were not able to pay full rent in recent months, forcing 6,000 to close since the start of the pandemic. The hospitality industry blames the governor, who says increasing hospitalizations is driving these drastic decisions.
3 weeks from hitting 90% of capacity, then we go to a shutdown.
Staten Island continues to lead all of the boroughs with the highest infection rates. Manhattan has the lowest. However, the mayor with a similar warning that restaurants may only be the first hit.
You have to be ready now for a full shutdown.
And officials believe that could just be 3 weeks away. That would take us essentially right back to where all of us started last spring. As for outdoor dining and the future of that, we expect to get more guidance from the city once they have conferred with the National Weather Service to get a better idea how this nor'easter is going to shape up. It could ultimately mean that many of the structures like this might have to come down so plows can get through. Reporting live in Midtown, I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.